What's up, guys? We are back today. Gonna be doing us a little fishing tournament up on Winchetser. So got everything planned out last night with my buddy Dustin. He's gonna tag along. Got his kayak up on top along with mine. And yeah, we're gonna go do us a little our first tournament, I guess you would say. It's just a little derby. It's nothing crazy. I'm not winning much of it. It's just kind of, I guess, for bragging rights and to have some fun. So we are all packed up. We got everything ready. Gears in the trunk. Got my rods with me right now. And yeah, we're gonna go get Dustin, get some food, and then we're gonna meet up with another buddy, my buddy Caleb. And once we meet up with him, then we're good to go. Head out of town. What's up, guys? We're back. We are made it to Winchetser finally. Hooked up with Dustin, so that whopper plopper guy from the last video. So anyways, we gotta go check in here and get signed up, figure out what we're doing. Dustin's gonna go check out the water, see if he can find any fish. So let's go get signed up here, see how this goes. Okay. All right, we are back. We're on the GoPro now, helping my buddy Caleb get this guy.
You don't have a handle, do you? Nope. Lead at the front, that way you can slide in.
The orange kayak gang today.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Let's get some matching stickers for all of them.
Agent Orange.
DVS Fishing Adventures.
There we go. Here we are. Here, if you get a DVS sticker, I'll slap it on my kayak.
Alright, I'll get us some.
Dude, this big. We're heavy though. Babe, here.
Which one do you? Yeah. Just say you might only want to keep one out or one set out for a little bit, but.
So just keep it.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Alright. Good, guys? All clear? Alright.
Time for the boot scoop.
Time for the boot scoop. Not okay. Dustin. Get it, bud.
Right here off the front of this rock, ready?
One eternity later.
Getting bites over here.
She's gonna be the first one to catch one.
I'm telling you,
it's always women's luck.
Every time we go fishing, she catches the most fish and the biggest.
She will. I think those guys are having a great day.
Have you guys seen these chunks?
Not to stupid expensive, but they have really good sensitivity.
Sensitivity?
Yeah.
Maybe I won't.
Like to know if you got a bite kind of thing. Ooh. Oh, I just got another freaking hit.
Game on.
I guess. Just gotta get him to commit. He's got commitment issues.
Oh, I got like a rubber weight too.
Oh, that's different.
I think I'm gonna throw that on.
Oh, I just got snagged up.
No, you didn't do it.
Go 15-pounder on Dustin. Fucker is taking me everywhere. Goddamn tiger muskie. Yeah, that would be. Oh my god, it was a tiger muskie.
Huh?
It was a tiger muskie.
Oh, knocked off.
No, I'm not joking. It stripped my line.
What?
Just that fucking lizard. Yeah, it just stripped my line.
You want a lizard?
Crash into you. Come at me, bro.
Bumper boat. Don't lose the oar now. Oh, hey. How's it going?
Oh, it's going.
Yeah, on my tip. Brakes are real squeaky. Hey Dustin, did something look wrong to you in that picture? That boat. Huh? Yeah. Like, dang, dude, you forgot to put the plug in?
He's on plane and ain't even moving.
Playing stealth, bud. You got 2 bites right there. Like, boom, and then boom again. Dustin, you need to catch a fish already.
Go to catch the fish and then we all start catching them?
Yeah, that's how it works. So basically, guys, there's a spot right here in the video where my GoPro wasn't filming, and I have no clue why. Battery was good, everything was good. I still had data, or memory, blah, 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 blah. But for some reason, it stopped recording. Right here at this spot, right to the right of me, exact same spot where I had got hit right there. He catches the first fish to really start things off, get this tournament going for us, and that's what really fired things up. He catches one. I swing around to try to help him out. When I swung around to try to help him out, I heard him shouting that Dustin caught a fish, and so I was like, "What did he catch?" You know, and he's like, "Oh, I got a trout." So I was, like, cool, that still puts us on the board. This tournament was basically just a pretty much whatever was in the water kind of tournament, which I didn't realize from the get-go. When we put our boats in the water, it was pretty much the send-off of bass and trout. That's what we knew that we could keep and have a decent bag for. Turns out we could have done catfishing, crappie counted, perch counted, but I mean, it all counted in the end, but you could only have your legal limit of each species of fish. So I didn't know that. If I would have known that, I would have had Caleb catfishing, because he's a madman at catfishing. He's really good at it. And I would have had him doing that, and me and Dustin would have been out there. Like, I would probably just strictly had Dustin fishing for trout, but it just didn't happen like that. But anyways, who is the next hookup, the next blow up? I don't think we got another fish for quite a while, till we got back into the corner. Then we got back into the corner, I caught my first bass to get, me on the board, and it was on a chatterbait of all things. So that was pretty cool. It wasn't very big, it was a super small fish. You guys are gonna see here in the next clip when I size these next 2 fish up. The smaller fish is the fish that I had caught first. Second fish, the bigger fish, is the fish that I had caught just probably, I want to say 3 fish after that fish, but the 2 fish that I had caught in between the bigger fish, I ended up losing, and they're about a pound. They're both pounder type fish. They were at least a little bit over a pound. So they would have definitely helped, but happens. I couldn't get them in the boat. So, anyways, basically, that's where we pick back up with the video, and we got things flowing again. So we will get back to rolling the footage, guys. Thank you for tuning in.
Well, been doing pretty good. Not really, not the greatest, but finally came up with a decent fish, guys. Let's get it out of the water here, and I'll show you guys what's going on here.
First one versus second one.
This is the first guy. That's the second guy. Or, I mean,
Vice versa.
Vice versa. Sorry.
We're getting official weight later.
Yep. We get official weight when we weigh it.
Swim down.
Oh yeah, dude. He's gonna be pulling me, guys. So that's a nice fish. You betcha. I grabbed onto it and fucking pulled it up like that, and then I cast right here, like right where I'm sitting, pretty much.
Yeah, you're wrong. Yeah,
Yeah, no, that's a huge thing. One of the biggest things.
got him moving.
I can kiss you, but I'm not gay.
Come on, get over here.
You don't have to be gay. Thank you. No, I mean, you don't really have to take credit. There's just thanks for experiencing it with me and being.
Definitely beats my PR. My biggest one, I think, is my.
There's some fish over here, guys.
Huh?
There's some fish over here. Yeah, just got another hit.
Yeah, it is a lake.
Oh, is that what we're on?
I thought this was a reservoir, which is a man-made lake. Okay, babe. Give me the fucking thing.
Give me the fucking back.
Going full speed ahead.
Oh Jesus, he went down. He went down deep. These are fishy. You're supposed to take me to the good spots. He's like, how about not? Huh?
There's a little magnet in your hook.
There you go.
Stay together.
Yeah, oh yeah. Is it really?
What time is it?
Come on, really? Oh, there was a fish on that. There was a fish on this my line. Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes. For the most part, just a little guy. He'd already been caught once.
What's up, everybody? We are back trying to avoid the sun right now, but we got one decent fish while we were out here. Thank God. Look at this freaking brute, dude. Mondo. I'd give him a send-off off the dock here, just because he's a pretty big fella. So try to get a good glimpse on this here. big fella. Oh yeah, what a beautiful fish. But we're gonna give him a send off because he needs to survive another day. So, see you later, sweetheart. You were good to us. Yep, she gone. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Thank God. Heck yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. That was a great tournament. Great turnout. See how it goes. So guys, we're back. We're just waiting for everybody to weigh in and see what we got. See if we placed it all. Not really sure if we did, but I'm hoping we did. Caught one nice one. All the rest were under pounders. Missed 2 decent ones that were both pounders. It probably would have added. That's their scale setup right there. So everybody can see.
Gotcha.
It's definitely not an official scale though.
I was looking for
Oh yeah, come on. Fancy people with fancy boats.
6 bass, 1 trout.
Let me just get this in there so you guys can see that. Yeah, just right there.
You want to stick around and see and wait find out? Or?
Yeah, I'll stick around for a minute. Might have got a last place trophy. Shake the hand maybe. No. Alright guys, well, that was it. End of the derby.
Devin sucks.
I didn't place.
Oh
well, I mean, the scale was pretty freaking janky, but...
Yeah, we gave you all our fish and you still couldn't win.
Yeah. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. I guess, definitely big fish. Definitely biggest bass.
That's it.
So, I got that going for me. I got the biggest bass today. Woo! So, guys, a couple days later, forgot to make an ender to that video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the derby. I sure as heck did. As my first fishing derby, it was definitely redneck backwoods, but it was fun. It was great to get some buddies out there and enjoy it with me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So if you did, please leave a big old thumbs up. Also remember, hit that sub button up there. I am doing some subscriber giveaways. Actually, I have a 100 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so make sure to go check out that video, as well as I'm going to be posting a bunch of new videos. I've got some comments on some new things that people want to see, and I am super glad to be bringing those. So for sure, I will be doing some rod reviews, some reel reviews, letting you guys know what's coming out with Favor, some of their new goodies. If you guys tune into my Instagram page, I'm always posting always on goodies on that. So anyways, we are pretty much wrapped up for this video. I'm super glad I can get another edit out for you guys. Man, it has been quite a while, but it feels good. It definitely feels good. Get back in this game. See if I can start getting, maybe some daily live streams out for you guys. I know there was a comment on there that said that, I can't remember the exact name, so I apologize at the moment. But anyway, saying that they like my live streams, so definitely be doing some more live streams. Give me some ideas on what you guys want me to do for live streams, and I'd be super down. Just kind of need some topics, and stuff like that. I already have great ideas. Probably gonna do one here in a few minutes, just to get that going even more too. But I wanna get some rod and reel reviews out. That's for sure. Gonna try to work on some of those. What else is there? I don't know. Maybe some line time videos, some different rigs that I run, different jig heads that I use, things like that. I'll get all that out to you guys. I've been definitely slacking. I have so much content. I could show you guys how much content I have on my laptop, and it's just unreal. Like, I have just folder after folder after folder of different things. Like, let me just name some of these guys off for you so you can, kind of get an idea. Let's see. I have, like, the slabs. Flipping and pitching, I have a flipping and pitching how-to video that I still haven't got done yet. Super easy. I need to just get it done and pumped out for you guys. Anyways, rainy day that I went out to the slabs, was actually a pretty decent day. Caught some nice fish, big smallmouth. I've caught quite a bit of big smallmouth out at the slabs. That's pretty sick. I have fishing all the way back in June. I have a full folder full of fishing videos in June. I have a bunch of fishing videos up at the Grand Round with Anthony doing some sight fishing this last summer and whatnot. Man, I have a ton of videos for you guys. So that's just a little bit to start kind of deal. I mean, I didn't even name literally every single folder that I have, but we're gonna be getting some more videos out for you guys, and it's gonna be sick. So keep tuning in. Please, 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 I beg you, hit that subscribe button. Tell all your buddies, tell your girlfriend, tell your family, tell your aunts, your uncles, everybody to go check out DVS Fishing Adventures and follow along on these crazy adventures. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see, you guys want me to do. Let me know, and I'll do it, or I'll try to do it. So that's gonna wrap it up, I think. Pretty sure that's gonna wrap it up, guys.